Okay, y'all, I've been wanting to replace my waffle maker that stopped functioning for some reason. Very huge waffle maker that I have makes large cut in the middle kind of waffle. But I decided to go for something not so expensive. I've been looking at this my mini waffle maker. I wasn't sure what to expect with it. Then I decided to go for it. So let's see what it can do. Yeah. Let me open it. I don't know what to read from here than to just make waffles, right? I'll go and put it away. So they call it mini. I wasn't sure how much little this thing is. This is so small. I was worried about it. I said, I hope this is not a toy. I hope this is not a toy. But I decided, how little can it be? It can be so small. It's not that little. When I look at it, bring it out, it's just like this in the palm of my hand. But when I open it, it's just basically the size of regular ego my ego waffle. So that's regarding the size of it. And I don't know if you can see this is 120 volts. That means it can only be used in United States and Canada. So those people that want to travel with it, maybe to Europe, it brings a red light on. Yeah, I'd like to leave it to heat up a little before I put it, because it doesn't need a lot at a time, or else you will have it overflow. The light is still on. I guess when it goes off, that means it's done. Maybe that's the use of. Ooh, beautiful. I think the size is pretty standard. My fear or doubt was if it was a toy. It's not a toy. It's pretty standard. Is it not the regular? And it does good. Maybe you can get two. For the price, it's good. Another thing, you have to avoid letting in water when you're cleaning it, because that's how I lost my other waffle maker. It stopped working. It started getting very sticky. It started getting difficult to come out, even to open up. So avoid it. Clean it with maybe something very damp. Do not let water in it. It's good. So far, I do not have any issue with it. You can give it a try. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. See you soon.